Hey, Natalie Berth here, doing another mini profile review. Quick reminder, this is not a comprehensive review, just what I can fit into about 3 minutes. Okay, so today's review, or this review, is for Kara's profile. In reviewing her profile, she is a word person. I'm beginning to chip over my tongue. So, a quick couple things. This right off the bat, even though she is employed by somebody else, is a really great opportunity to showcase that she is a wordsmith, right? I have the words. It could be something as flippant as I have the words, or um, wordsmithing at its finest, or I don't know, something, maybe there's a quote, but something that brings the fact that she teaches language, right? She teaches the words. She's a tutor at the Writing Center. She specializes in ESL, all of those things. I would like to see a better profile picture. The hand, it's actually a great smile, great picture. The hand kind of gets in the way, but more than that, she's so far out I can barely see her. So I would want this brightened up and the background lightened up. You could probably get rid of the hand with AI or whatever the deal is. And of course, we'd want to clean this up, right? But going into, and by that, maybe focusing on what her specialty is. In my other, I give a bunch of examples of how I would go about doing this in some of my other videos. But what I would really like to see talk about in her experience section, it's a really common issue, is we have what I like to call the dreaded gray boxes here. And uh, those are because she probably put them into her profile before the